This recipe's truly imperial.
There's real technique here.
It's really different home. Style chicken, broth beef.
Very red and beautiful.
All the spices are balanced.
Fairs have more of this, less of that.
Mine's all 3,000.
This Imperial Kitchen recipe
Really is different.
star anise, angelica, cloves, fennel, cinnamon, camphoria, cardamom, Sichuan pepper, amomum. 9 ingredients total.
The imperial cuisine.
Nine supreme, the highest.
9 spices, you see.
There's real technique.
Fennel, star anise, Sichuan pepper.
Making 3 portions pours over first.
Stir fry it.
See, palace cooking's different.
We had this guy who was great with palace food.
Old Tian, surname Zheng. He was palace staff.
He's surname Jung.
When I was a teen, he was already 80 something.
So I'd hang at their place. He'd tell palace stories.
Talk about palace dishes, palace stories.
Don't use high heat.
You add salt to this.
No salt.
Try stir fry, just stir fry.
Oh, that's good, all right. Into this plate.
I'll just pound this lightly.
This oil tendon's good quality. This Yushan house fish is different.
This needs deep frying.
This fish meat.
Look how tender this meat is. Soak for a day.
At least an hour. Up to 3 hours.
Depends on the salt amount. Less time means more salt, more soaking. Goes in the pot wrap.
Once it hits water, the membrane tightens up.
Makes it easier to absorb flavor.
Some are already cut.
Look at these outside ones. Look at this.
This is good, looks great, right?
Let's blanch this now.
1 piece with sauce. Don't waste it. How long, Simon?
We'll get it out in a bit.
Just now, this 5 pounds per pound.
Still won't come out.
All right.
No problem, let's drain it.
Yeah. Yeah. If it doesn't drain, what's the point? 1.
Marinate it bigger first.
That's got feeling to it.
According. Put it in the stir fry. Star anise, peppercorns, cumin, stir fried. Crush and add salt.
We'll marinate the meat later.
We need to cook it an hour. Salt it a bit more. But for tomorrow's meat, use less. Now this needs heavy smoking. We're filming. Because the video needs to show, in a short time, the final beef result. Uncle's using heavy smoking. Add more salt.
Keep poking. This fish bone salt.
Make it more flavorful.
Careful.
Me uncle's not afraid of sharp tools.
Don't poke yourself. If you hurt your hand,
We'd feel the pain.
How much beef shank we got today? This one.
2 pounds, 3 pounds.
How much salt did you add?
Added about an ounce.
Then marinate for an hour.
Uncle, you didn't add wine, right?
No need for wine, all right.
Premium cuts don't need wine.
What are you cooking with the fish bones? Making caramel color?
Caramel color. Lift the spoon up.
I'll wipe. Let me add some oil.
There you go.
Chef, I render the fat. Light fat dripping.
There's oil here. Over here.
These 2 beef shanks this rock sugar costs more than the beef.
This costs more than the skin and meat.
This is the palace secret ingredient.
Today, if you were asked me.
About the finished braised meat.
If you think the color is not dark enough,
Add more. And some dry ham, yes. During cooking, sure. During cooking, yes.
Scallions in there. Before cooking, during cooking, after cooking. That's when you add flavor.
If it's already done, when you think the sauce is ready.
If the color's not dark enough, you can add more dark sauce.
But that's pointless.
Also, sometimes when it first comes out, the color's light. By tomorrow, it'll be darker.
All right, thanks.
Now we need to braise this.
Heat.
slow cook.
It keeps changing. Now the sugar's melted. Starting to get color.
You do it. Go ahead, old friend.
Can I do this? Here I go.
Let's do it. That faster. Like that?
Soon as the oil sizzles, you run. Drop a spoonful and run.
Gotta practice now.
Practice with your stove here.
This is the thing, stir faster. Make it round like doing Tai Chi. Draw circles in the pot.
Don't want it splashing on you, it won't. But I've seen it happen. When girls cook sugar at home. Experience?
Add vinegar and rum.
Leave the wok and run.
One splash and run, you all make it look so easy. Then,
Let me introduce who just rushed into frame. Lao Fangu's successor? Dai Xiaoying brother Yung.
Once you're familiar with it, you can use high heat. Normally use low heat. Otherwise, when the sugar's forming, it's just 1 or 2 seconds, or it'll turn bitter.
Sugar's starting to thin out, right? Turning yellow now. When it becomes soy sauce color, the moment it hits soy sauce color, it'll smoke. First comes blue smoke.
Cube. E. Medium. Heat. Name.
Don't move. Don't worry, I'm not scared.
Don't move. Don't be afraid.
Really good, right? See that?
Just work for warm water pretty good.
Pretty good.
Don't be afraid.
Don't worry, very human.
Wiggle that. Ready.
The beef's marinated enough.
Well, now they're ready.
Clean them.
Watch it doesn't burn.
Then grind.
How long's this take?
The grinder.
Why can't we take out the grinder first, then marinate it?
Won't work, it won't absorb flavor.
It'll get too firm. Add cold water to shock it.
Don't let it boil.
Don't let it boil.
Why'd we bring you here? So you could learn.
Because you connect best with viewers.
Share your thoughts.
Since you can't cook, process,
Your explanations are more relatable. People can learn from this.
Let me ask again. Why add cold water earlier?
It penetrates layer by layer.
You cook it once. Cook until it opens and oils up, but inside won't cook through.
Add cold water.
Slowly it'll penetrate and cook inside.
Then add more cold water to penetrate.
Then it's cooked through.
So for braising beef, you add cold water several times.
3 to 4 times.
Once on high heat, right?
Look at this water. The broth's really clean now.
Especially our overseas viewers say they're abroad basically with induction cookers.
So how do they braise beef? Same way.
Just use the highest heat setting.
Chicken broth, just soy sauce.
Use chicken broth to braise the beef.
Gotta wrap it, right?
Yeah, wrap it.
Rinse it and wrap it hot.
Clean.
Hot wrap goes in. Using chicken broth, soy sauce, light soy.
Water.
Water, water.
Water. Water.
caramel color.
Scallions, ginger caramel color.
Uncle's second uncle wants yellow wine.
Put it in. Drink it, Ken.
Drinking again.
Got a bottle.
Not a drop.
吃点
Add some salt.
Color and flavors all set.
Good.
The master's still the best.
Beef's been pressured 40 minutes, then braised an hour.
Look how fragrant and flavorful this is.
Last batch is done.
All right. Use chopsticks to fry directly. This uses chicken broth.
Home-style chicken broth braised beef.
Smells amazing this color. See, I didn't add any
Sauces or anything don't need.
traditional method. Look this color. Beautiful deep red.
This braised beef needs to cool before slicing, so we won't slice today.
Tomorrow, when it's cold, we'll slice.
This was palace food back then. This recipe here, 9 spices. 3 each, easy to remember. But there's one thing you can't add mutton.
Can't touch mutton. Mutton in sauce ruins the soup.
What goes with mutton?
This soup can't have mutton.
Back in the 80s, I knew this teacher. I was 82 right. They told me the recipe. Then I researched this dish. This method's exactly same as the palace style.
Same technique.
Sorry about that. Let me try another for you.
You're so good.
Can't let it cool, or you'll eat something else.
Lots of viewers.
Want the chef back to cook many dishes.
But on our platform,
in such shop to make these dishes.
There's huge difficulty.
You're like today's braised beef Uncle made. Beef needs marinating. Takes very long. What's the shortest time needed? Shortest time still a full day to absorb the flavor.
The meat
becomes firm after marinating.
And flavorful. Plus our slow cooked sauce. Gotta cook out all the spice flavors.
Cause there's not much spice in it.
When the meat's marinating. Then when you're cooking the meat,
It needs more time.
so to make real. Team Perfect braised beef takes about 2 to 3 days.
Look at this sliced sponge cake.
You still need to split it in two.
Roll it up with the ham.
Cut it tomorrow.
More perfect.
See these 3 spices I used after frying.
You can marinate with M after marinating. Remove them.
This adds fragrance inside. Removes all those extra spice flavors. Second step, we blanch it.
5 times blanching. After blanching, the meat
Gradually gets lighter. We use chicken stock. If this isn't clear broth,
It's clear broth in the chicken stock. You can add pork bones.
And pork knuckle too.
That makes the broth taste even better. For these 2 pieces of meat, we add scallions. Should be about 2 ounces per pound.
pound scallion. That's quite a lot.
Classic traditional flavors. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Little restaurant buddy, remember to eat well.
Let's start with this.
I got it covered. Sure.
Smun.
In the pot. This sauce really.
All right, you're pulling it out from the palace, but insisting on putting it back dirty.
这是进口的. Right, this is imported.
Domestic's better, not busy.
All the imported stuff before.
The chicken flavor's too gamey.
All the egg mixture's been cut.
It's imported liquid eggs.
We'll see you next time. Chinese subtitles, volunteer. Li Zongsheng.